Mayong adlaw, Charmy Davao. We're going to Eden Park in Toril. Good morning, guys. What's up, guys? For today's adventure, we're going to tour our friend Brian because it is first time here in the Philippines, in Davao City. So we're going to Eden Nature's Park, one of the famous tourist spot here in Davao City. We're just going here for a day tour. My husband and his friend is excited for the sky ride and zip line. Now we're here at Eden Nature's Park. The entrance fee and including the meal is they have buffet 450 for the adults, 280 pesos for the child, and they have other option, the plated snacks, 180 for adult and 150 pesos for the child. Hey, Richard, where are you? You're here in Eden Park? Richard. Richard. Yay! It's first time. It's his first time to come in Eden Park. Yay! His dad and I went here maybe 2012 and 2015. Oh, when we're still boyfriend and girlfriends. Now we have a son. Check out Ever with another channel. Hi! Rachel is here! Rachel is here! Yeah! Naapos sila aling coping na halo-halo. Bigay siya. Si Mami at si Daddy nagpunta na dito dati. Picture ulit ko ang the person. Diha sa lab. Diha sa... Yan ang iwayan! Where are you going?
Nature Park and Resort. So my name is Yan Yan and I will be your guide. Driver is Bea Juni, and again, welcome to Eden. So our tour will take 45 minutes to 1 hour. Then we have 3 stops for picture taking. So flower garden, fishing. The available fish is only hito or catfish, and also tilapia or same close deer.
So it's originally from Philippines, right?
Yes,
From Davao.
From Mindoro yan. It's native here in the Philippines.
Yeah.
A water working system. So soil is not plenty. We're not using soil. Instead, we're using your powderized coconut husk or powderized na giniling na gulay. We have loose leaf lettuce ito na area. Then we have the red salad. So it's good for 50 people only. So for smaller events here in Eden, like seminars or mga retreats naman, hindi masyadong maraming purpose. Same season with the mangosteen for August up to September. For the native, for the imported rin, mas mababa yung November to native na mas mataas. Then our first stop, amphitheater in the flower garden for 7 minutes. So we have here more local flowers. Sunflowers, billy bottles, salvias. We also dito na area, amphitheater for garden weddings.
Rainbow Pass.
That's our amphitheater for garden weddings.
You are now driving tourist shuttle bus. It's called shuttle bus or
Shuttle whatever. Shuttle to.
Okay, our first
so
stop for 7 minutes. So let's go. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay.
Ichiro is holding the love bell. Ay! With Uncle Ryan. This is the lover's bell. Okay, that's
I can
the...
hold them up like this.
Look at the view. Look at the view over there.
Hold up.
The forest protector.
where we are. That's where she went. Her farm's at.
Oh, here's another tour guide.
So where are we at now?
Where she's from.
Where are we at now? Here?
You are here.
So are these the different protectors of each area?
Yeah.
No, these are the native tribes.
See, she worried about me sleeping on her soft couch. They had to sleep in places like this. We can pay to do that.
Ryan, this is the traditional house of the Philippines before, the old people.
Yeah, naman sa una pa. We only have picture copying those chapters before.
See, our first small, we have orange dogs.
We're here at Lola's Garden. Hey, chill.
Wishing well na.
Let's go.
Yeah, but it's only January.
This is the Mayumin's wishing well. Yay!
My dad would love this. My dad loves flowers and stuff.
We wish to have a Reichiro too. That's what we want.
Reichiro's cousin.
Thanks. This is Gomamela.
Hibiscus.
Are they growing in there or are they floating?
No, they just put it for decoration. Nice, crying na. Pass the bebe. Put on your...
Nope,
May picture dito sa kung ano.
That didn't last very long.
Picture dito sa duyan.
Look at that overlooking.
Nandito sa duyan.
Ah. Duyan. This is Filipino swing. Duyan.
I gotta make one of these for camping.
Yep.
Reichiro.
Dito ka lang, dito ka. Picture na sa duyan.
That's lettuce.
We have a jumping shot there. Me and Renee.
Wait.
It's hot.
Yeah, hurry up. Did you put on
Yeah.
fire?
Video, yay!
Nope. One.
609. Or let's say 800 siya per person. Nandito lahat. For those na ka-register din for the plated snacks, for the snacks, dito rin siya i-claim sa Skype Cafe sa may dito po ni area. Just present the white tickets. So, baba lang natin sila nga po dito rin.
Kaya ganito. Ito.
Okay, now what? You want pictures of this? And you move up to the elaborate picture of me.
Nan. Good picture. Oh, wait lang. Another one.
Wait.
I love. Wait.
Hey guys. Where's Ryan? I can see the head.
There he is.
Ryan is lost. He don't know how to. He don't know how to get out. Oh, Ivory! I saw Ivory's hand
Where's Ivory at?
over there.
Hi, she's stuck.
Look at her.
I don't know where back there.
Oh, Ivory's
already
over
done it.
there. I saw Ivory's head. Oh no.
There she is.
Oh, I saw Ivory. Closer to Ryan. You're closer to Ryan now.
No,
Faster, Ivory. Oh, Ryan. Don't know how to get out. Where's Ivory?
Right here.
Oh, I saw Ivory. Keep going, Ivory. Oh, Ryan, get out already. Yes, he made it. Where's Ivory?
She's still in there. She's lost.
Ivory's lost.
she's too short. I can't even see top of her head.
She's had to go all the way back. Look at, she's lost.
Yeah, he lost. Ivory's lost.
Keep your hands up in the air.
Mommy's lost in the maze, wooden maze. In the bamboo. No, it's a bamboo maze. Where's Ivory?
It's over here.
Okay. Keep going.
Help, help, help.
Oh, you're almost there. You're almost there. You're almost there. You're almost there. You're almost there.
Are you sure? Final answer?
Yay! Ivory made it! Yay! Success!
I'll go back through the other way.
Okay, go back.